You've got an outer race flaw in your bearing, but now, because you haven't caught it, you don't yet know that that's there, and it's going to get progressively worse. Soon the outer race flaw will cause enough damage to make a bearing ball flaw, so now your roller is damaged as well, and then the inner race will start to go. So overall, your bearing will degrade really significantly to the point where you'll start to experience a lot of heat generation inside the bearing, and you will require a lot more energy to power the pump overall because the bearing is not operating nearly as smoothly as it was before. So this is not good, but you don't know that this is happening. It's all happening invisibly inside of your machine, and now the bearing overall is exuding significant heat. The shaft of this pump does not like heat, because uneven heating on a shaft will cause it to bow. And if you've ever worked on centrifugal pumps, you know that there are tight fits and clearances all over the machine train, most notably between the volute and the impeller, and when your shaft begins to bow, you're highly likely to rub those different surfaces. That now causes another heat generation source that even worsens the bow that you're experiencing on your shaft. So things are getting progressively worse. The motor is having more and more difficulty actually powering the pump, and now it is heating up itself and is in danger of having some arcing across of the thin areas of your windings. So none of this is great. Everything continues to degrade. Finally, the motor is unable to turn the pump because of all of the rubs and all of the back pressure that it's getting, and you have a catastrophic failure of the pump where it seizes up completely. Now, as you disassemble it, you have really significant damage to both the rotor of the pump and to the stationary portion or the volute of the pump. And your technician realizes that this is not repairable in-house. The entire pump train has to be sent to a repair shop, potentially scrapped completely, but for sure it's not going to be able to be put right back into operation. Now you have a huge dilemma.